Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel. I do random stuff here on YouTube. Today we are doing another SnackCrate video, and today's video is from Thailand. So, yeah, whoops, that almost hit my camera. So first up, we have, this looks like Lay's chips. It says these crispy, crunchy potato chips pair the distinct flavors of freshly grilled prawns with Thailand's signature seafood chili sauce. So I don't know if I'm going to like this, and we're going to find out if Rachel's allergic to seafood today. I'm only going to try like a tiny bit, so you can have half of it. So, 1, 2, 3. I don't like that. Nope. Oh my god, no. Give me a minute. Oh. So after trying that and absolutely hating it, I give these a -2 out of 10. Yep. -2 out of 10. No. Okay. And we did try to make a video earlier, and my camera was being really stupid. But this was the first thing that we tried. It's called Bang Bang or Bang Bang, I don't know. But it said it was a white chocolate covered wafer that had like coconut cream. I honestly liked this. I gave this a 7 or 8 out of 10. I personally like that.
Great.
But now let's get on with this next part and see what happens. So, let's see. We have this thing called Pretz. I did open it a little bit already because I forgot to show you the packaging. But it says yummy pretzel sticks that pack an ultra satisfying crunch. Try either the larb, tom yum, or buttered corn flavored. So we have larb, and we also have a tom yum. I have no clue what that is. That looks like a fish to me, but I'm gonna try it. I have no clue what it is. Try it and tell me what it tastes like.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
It has an aftertaste of a very spiciness. Oh, please don't
Oh
die.
yeah.
Please don't die.
That tastes fishy to me.
Severe acid reflux. Oh.
That tastes fishy to me. I don't like that.
Oh.
Dude, stop. Oh, it does have. It smells kind of spicy too. I don't like that. One day when the days are open. Alright, let's find out what tom yum. Alexa! Volume up to. Alexa, what is tom yum kung flavor?
Here's something I found on the web. According to Wikipedia, tom yum or tom yum is a type of hot and sour Thai soup, usually cooked with shrimp. Tom yum has its origin in Thailand. The words tom yum are derived from two Thai.
Alexa, stop. Okay. So, I swear, I like
I eat tomatoes all the time and I'm allergic to them.
Alright, so they look the same. I'm just gonna take a sip of water because the last thing.
What is it?
These smell fishy though.
They smell like tuna.
Ew. I get
Maybe Jacoby will like that.
that didn't taste that bad. It didn't taste good, but it didn't taste bad. I'd give these probably like maybe a 1 or a 2. I give these ones like a 2.
I give them both a 0. I'd feed them to my dead cat.
Dude, that's so morbid.
Probably not.
I'd give that like a 1, and the other one I'd give a 0 because I just didn't like that. We're gonna go for sweetness.
Cough drops.
Cough drops?
They look like cough drops.
What the fuck? No.
They look like a cough drops container.
It says Lush. Lush chocolates, it says. It only takes one bite to flood your mouth with flavor. These luscious, taffy-like candies are quite literally bursting with a chocolatey drizzle. Alright, so... Oh, we got a sneaky snack in there. I swear if it's that same freaking snack. Hold on. Here. They come in these tiny little things. It's so cute. They're so little.
The sky
Is it raining?
The sky is raining.
Is it really? I'll have to close my window. Shoot. They're so tiny.
I can't open this.
Really?
I can't open this.
How can you not open it? It's like a Tootsie Roll. Like a Tootsie Roll with chocolate in the middle. I like it.
What is in the middle?
It's like a chocolate cream. I kind of like that.
Negative 500.
What? What the hell? I give it like a 7. Or like a 6.
3.
Na 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 na.
3.
You're mean.
I mean, it's terrible. Tastes like a cooked. Tastes like a Tootsie Roll had a baby.
What? That
And
didn't
then-
make any sense. What the heck is
Threw up.
this? What?
It tastes like
Let's
a Tootsie
find out
Roll.
what this is.
It tastes like a Tootsie Roll. Threw
It
up.
doesn't say what it's called.
It's called Big Roll.
Yeah, this doesn't say what it is though. It doesn't have that on here. Oh wait, yes it does. Tay Noi Big Roll. You don't have to be a green sea turtle to enjoy this nutritious snack. We've
Thank God I'm
included
not green.
either the spicy or grilled seaweed flavored variety. I think this is the seaweed one. I really hope so because I'm not dealing with spicy today.
You like spicy.
Depends.
What about General Gao's chicken?
Freaking love General Gao's
And I-
Dude, you know what this looks like? It looks like the things that my friends roll. It looks and smells disgusting. It smells disgusting.
I'm not dying.
I don't like the smell.
Do I have to dry it?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
No. 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 Peace. It tastes like negative 20.
Hold on. Oh, the aftertaste.
I didn't even get to the aftertaste. It tastes
It's
like sand.
seaweed. It's seaweed. That I'd give a 0.
Nay.
Oh my god, I can't do it. This one says yogurt. I know that's how they say yogurt though. This is how they spell yogurt. YOGHURT. They spell it like yogurt. So it says we don't always eat chewy candy for breakfast, but when we do, you bet it's bursting with creamy, yogurty goodness. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna open it, so give me a second. Okay, so I got it open, and as we can see, it's in another wrapper. I feel like it's pouring into my bathroom right now because it just started raining here, and I'll be right back. Alright, so sorry, I just had to close some windows because it just started thundering. But yes, so this is what they look like. They look like Starburst. They smell sweet.
Taste like
Let's try it. I don't know.
it tastes like a lemon.
What?
A lemon.
I taste lemon too.
Lemon pledge.
No. How do you know what lemon pledge tastes like?
I don't. It's the only thing I know that's lemon.
I don't like it. Or I like it, but I don't. Okay. It tastes like
doesn't
a-
taste like a Starburst.
It sort of does, actually. It tastes like the lemon one, but it tastes more lemony.
I give it a 1.
I give it like a 4 or 5. I still think one of the worst things
Was those dang chips.
was this. This was the worst. It smells
Sorry,
gross
Tylee.
even.
I don't know.
There's one more snack. Mentos!
Gum.
Is it gum? I don't know. I don't think so.
We have 2 snacks.
No, that's the chocolate from before. Oh wait, there are 2. There are 2, you're right. Okay, we'll go with Mentos. Who says no to Mentos? They should pay me. The chewy, usually minty candies you love with a sweet and bubbly soda surprise. Pop the top on this treat. We guarantee you won't stop.
Never been to Thailand.
I've never been to Thailand either.
I've never been out of the country.
I have, when I went to Israel.
That's it.
No, and Belize.
I knew you went to Belize.
Yeah. Belize is out of the country. We can try. Hold on. Don't eat it yet. Because it looks like there's different. Are there not different flavors? What the? Do not tell me they're gypping me of all my flavors.
It's not America.
What? Although, look, it says that these are like different flavors, the different colors. But so far, all I'm seeing is this one purple flavor.
Rachel, hurry up before the internet goes out.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. They're hard.
It's because it's gum.
This is grape. I don't like grape.
It's gum.
Is it?
Yes.
It doesn't say it's gum. Who says no to Mentos? Me.
All Mentos is gum.
Mm-mm. No, it isn't.
All Mentos I've tried is gum.
Oh, look! We've got different flavors now.
I like this.
Hold on.
No, I want this purple one.
Okay, I'm getting different flavors though. I'm just getting different flavors. Dum, bum. So, I found they have 3 other flavors. They have a yellow, pink, and green. So, I'm going to try the green. I don't know what flavor the green.
want, but it's pretty gross.
I don't know what it is.
Maybe the package will tell you.
Yeah. The package. It was in Thailand. It was
Thai.
It was in Thai. I don't like it. I'm gonna try the. What did you try?
Yellow.
Yellow. I'll try the pink one. I like the pink one.
This is nothing.
The yellow?
It's nothing. Sand.
I like the pink. It's strawberry. What? Overall, I like these. I give them like an
I'm
8.
pretty sure this is nothing flavored.
I give them an 8 overall. Ew.
It's nothing.
You don't need to see that.
It's nothing flavored.
I'm gonna try the yellow. Oh my god, that broke in half. What do you mean it tastes like nothing?
I don't like strawberry whatsoever.
I can't tell what it tastes like, but it tastes like something. No. I don't know. I don't know. Overall, I'd give them an 8.
I like the purple one. That's 100. Solid choice. Just make those. All the rest of them get a -7.
I didn't like I hated the grape.
-7.
I didn't like the grape one.
7's my favorite number.
Clearly. I can't find what this is. I think this is called Sun Snack. I read that wrong and almost said Sun Sack. Sun Snack Dunk. Savory roasted sunflower seeds coated in a rich yet delicious and unusual combination of sweet corn and cheese flavoring. What the heck? It smells so weird. Why are there many songs about rainbows?
What?
I don't know.
What?
I read it. It's sunflower, roasted sunflower seeds, coated in a rich, delicious, and yet unusual combination of sweet corn and cheese. What? To me, they just taste like sunflower seeds.
No.
They taste like peanuts to me.
I'm not supposed to have peanuts.
Why?
I don't know. My doctor just said don't eat peanuts.
They don't taste like corn or cheese. They taste like peanuts.
But I'm not allergic to peanuts.
I don't like it though.
No anaphylaxis happening.
I'd give them like a
Negative
like
7.
an 8.
0.
Thailand, you did better than Japan.
Overall, my favorite was still Canada. I probably always will be. I love Canada.
Ooh, I'm blind at home.
I love Canada. But I guess I love
These
Thailand.
are so good. I like these.
I love Thailand too, I guess. I can't be racist.
Come.
Because that's wrong.
Shut up. Okay. So, there's the end of our video. As you can see, there are no more left. Oops. Your snacks are gone. So, we are going to end the video here. I'm going to take a big sip of my water. And come back next month, which might be a few weeks actually, because I might get my other box in like a couple weeks. Come back sometime next month. I personally don't even know what country it's from next month. But yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. And yeah, bye for now. We'll see you in our next one.